What's up? No, dude. D-Wax can strip me naked, dude. What's up? You got a dude right now. What's up, dude? Get the show! Get the fucking show! I got it. Okay, if you're not for real, get up. If you're not for real, get up. Yeah, take your clothes off. No, see. Okay, let's
That was the party.
This is fucked up, dude. No, hold him. Bro, this is not funny, bro. Zach, fuck you for this, bro. Come with me, bro. Oh, fuck.
Back on time, Brad.
Oh, fuck, Brad, dude. Carpet burn. Carpet burn.
Take off his pants.
I'm
Take off his pants.
You gonna squeal like a pig.
No.
Squeal like a pig. Oh, y'all are big for this shit, bro. I swear. I'm like y'all niggas for fuck. Get him. Get him. Get him. Don't choke. Let me go. We need you alive for this. Let me go. I'm not the only one. Let me go. Oh, what the fuck, bro? I'm missing the shoe and shit, bro. Put that shit on YouTube.